Do you have a lot of makeup and you're looking for various ways to keep it all organized? Hi, I'm Phaedra Stutt with Practical Possibilities, and I want to talk about one of my favorite products for organizing beauty products and makeup. It's called the Beauty Butler. The Beauty Butler comes in, I want to say, 3 different sizes. I have 2 of them myself. One is like this little mini compact that includes 2 of these boards that are like that. And these boards are Velcro. So they're made out of the soft Velcro. And then you can see this is one of the bigger size bags. There's also one that they have that is a portfolio style that I'm not for sure of the size of, but these are my go-tos. But as I was saying, they have these boards with Velcro, and with each Beauty Butler package, you get a package of Velcro to use on your beauty products. However, if you run out, like I have, you could easily buy a roll of just the hard Velcro that's adhesive on the other side. So you can just use this. It's pretty cheap. You can easily find it on Amazon. And it's really simple to use. So here's a product that I have not put Velcro on yet. So what I want to do first is take some rubbing alcohol. With a napkin or whatever you have to use, and just give it a good wipe down real quick. Basically just getting rid of any debris that could affect the Velcro from sticking. Just cut a little piece off. And take this Velcro off. Sticky on this side. And you can just put it on the bottom. It's also good to note that if you're going to cover up whatever color you're using and you want to keep a record of that, make sure you have that written down or take a picture of the bottom so you know your color for when you need to get a refill. I know my color, so I should be okay. And there you have it. So the one thing to note is once you lay this on for the first time, then and stick it on your board, just leave it stuck on the board for about a day. Basically, you don't want to like yank on it while like the stickiness is still sticking. So that's all there is to it. And the nice thing is you can mix and match. You can kind of create your own palette or keep like things together. Like here, for example, I have all of my glitter makeup together in on one palette. But if I'm getting ready for a show, I can mix and match what I need just for that show. Maybe put it in a smaller bag if I only need this much for a show. Like this is just perfect. So I'm not hauling every single thing that I have. So I just bring what I need. It's very handy. I also have a spare board. So what I end up doing is if I'm going on a vacation, I will take only the makeup that I need because I'm not going to be using my glitters. I'm not going to be using like my purple lipsticks or anything. Just going for regular muggle look, so to speak. So anyway, I hope you check this out. It's just a product I love. I'm not getting any money or promotional whatever for it. I just have been using them for a few years and really enjoy the flexibility that comes with these packages. So if you like this video, you want to see some more organizing tips, go ahead and subscribe and check out my other video, and I'll see you next time.